If you want to clone an app on the Samsung Galaxy S26, and then what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find advanced features. And then in advanced features, we should be able to find the dual messenger option. In here, some apps are supported and you can duplicate them quite easily by tapping on this switcher. And however, unfortunately, as I said, only some apps are supported. If you wish to duplicate other apps that are not supported by this dual messenger feature, then in that case you can use the secure folder, which is not really made to duplicate apps, but of course we can use it like that. So we're gonna open settings again, and this time we're gonna proceed to security and privacy. Then in here go to more security settings, and you should be able to find the secure folder. Of course we need to set it up, but it is really straightforward. Just grant all the necessary permissions. And then you can create the password for the secure folder. So in here you can choose one of these password types, and also you can set up biometrics if you want to. In my case, I'm gonna set up a simple password over here. There we go. We need to enter the password twice, of course, in order to confirm it. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So in my case, I'm just gonna actually tap on don't allow. I don't really need this option, but in your case, I can actually encourage you to use this feature. And then we can go next. Over here we can choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. So I'm just going to continue. I want to allow background activity. We can also hide the secure folders in case you need to keep it private, then it is totally possible to do so. Once we are in the secure folder, you can duplicate an app by using this plus button. You can see the list of apps that you already have installed, so you can choose whichever app you want to duplicate. Let's say if I want to duplicate Spotify, I just have to select it on this list, and then we can use the add button in the upper right corner. And there we go. Now over here in the secure folder, I have Spotify. I also have it outside of the secure folder, and both of these apps contain different data. They are pretty much duplicated. And the secure folder can be found in the app drawer. And in addition to that, the secure folder is pretty much like a separate environment that is completely separated from everything that we have outside of the secure folder. Hence why we can treat it as a way to duplicate apps, because this app over here doesn't contain any data. It is like freshly installed app. And in addition to that, you don't really need to have the app already installed to be able to put it into the Play Store. You can also, to the secure folder, you can go to the Play Store in order to install an app pretty easily, just in the secure folder as well. And that is pretty much it. Now, of course, we can also add the app to the home screen. So if you add the app from the secure folder into the home screen, then of course you will have to unlock it. If the secure folder gets locked, then you will have to unlock it with the secure folder password. But generally speaking, this is how we can access these apps that you have in the secure folder. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.